The human brain is considered a very difficult to analyze part of a human being. If brain gets damaged, then human body does not perform normal activities which we perform on daily basis, which also lead to a number of health complications. World Health Organization has recently released the top 10 biggest brain damaging habits according to their latest research findings. 1. Skipping breakfast. Students as well as adults have a very bad habit of not taking breakfast in the morning. This leads to low blood sugar levels all day. It has been proven through research that the carbohydrates that a person eats in the morning are the real food of the brain. So by not eating breakfast, our brain gets an insufficient supply of nutrients, and this becomes a cause of brain degeneration. 2. Sugar. Too much sugar in your blood will interrupt the efficient absorption of proteins and nutrients in our body. Sugar may also interfere in process of healing of tissue damage and brain development. Too much of sugary products in your diet is not good for the brain. 3. Smoking. Everyone is aware of the negative effects of smoking. Even second-hand smokers suffer because of the cigarette smoke around them. Basically, smoking damages cognitive abilities, memory, learning skills and thinking powers. It has also been proved to be a cause of diseases like Alzheimer and dementia. 4. Overeating. This causes the brain arteries to become hard, so it enforces pressure over the arteries, causing them to stiffen. This leads to a decrease of mental power, or what we call spontaneous work of the brain. 5. Sleep deprivation. Sleep allows our brain to rest. The habit of sleeping late at night or not sleeping at all accelerates the death of the brain cells. 6. Air pollution. Because of air pollution, the supply of oxygen to the brain gets decreased, and it also decreases the efficiency of the brain. 7. Head covered while asleep. If someone sleeps with her head covered with a pillow or something else, then it obviously does not allow the carbon dioxide to move away. The concentration of carbon dioxide hence increases and that of oxygen decreases. This is very harmful for the brain. 8. Working while ill. Many people show much devotion to work. They ruin their health and end up being sick. More torturous, they work when they are sick and damage the effectiveness of the brain. Even if you're just studying when you're sick, you're pressurizing your brain to work when it honestly can't function right. 9. Low water consumption. 70% of our body is made up of water. So when we lower our intake of water, we basically compromise a crucial need of our brain. Water is linked to many functions and the brain readily needs it. So you need to increase the intake of water as soon as possible for proper body functioning. 10. Low interaction. For many people it might be normal not to speak much. But then again, there are those people who rarely ever talk. You must speak up so that your brain cells are exercised and you don't damage your brain cells by not using them at all in this aspect. If you like our video, then please share, comment and subscribe.